Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to close the lift gate glass on Chevrolet Tahoe 2024. So, with your key fob in your hand, pocket or bag, approach the lift gate. The logo projection will automatically turn on as you get within 6 feet of the rear of your vehicle. Now you need to kick straight over the logo, making sure to come within 5 inches of the bumper. Your kick should be as in and out motion that takes only a second. So you need to note that sweeping a foot side to side or stepping into the logo projection will not activate the sensor. The lift gate will open after giving you time to safely step away. The rear lights will flash and a sound will chime to alert you that the lift gate is opening. So you can also use a kicking motion to close the lift gate. So you need to kick straight over the logo projection or at the sensor for older vehicles. After a 2-second delay, the rear lights will flash and a sound will chime to alert you that the lift gate is closing. So you need to follow these methods in order to close the lift gate glass in your Chevrolet Tahoe 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.